What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about something that was brought up in the comment section of one of my videos. One of my latest videos, if not my last video, I talked about the XRP ETF and how it's confirmed that we have always been in talks. We've always been wanting to have an XRP ETF. And to say that that is the next in line or is next in line is kind of an understatement, right? Because it's always been the next in line. It was the next in line after you saw Bitcoin with the BTC or BTC ETFs that were all across, right? Um, Obviously, with what's going on with litigation, you can't really do anything with that, and they're not going to get that approved at all. So in comes ETH, in comes Solana, in comes all. XRP has always been first in line. It's been confirmed from various sources that they are waiting, that they want an XRP ETF. Um, it's just a matter of time. Obviously, you need the finality of that case, or am I saying that right? The ultimate resolution to what that case is. Um, and once you get that, now you have an ETF. But people in the comment section of the last video, a couple of people have said an ETF shows that it doesn't matter. What does that really matter to see an XRP ETF? Do we even really want one? Because we saw what happened with Bitcoin and Bitcoin rose, but more or less Bitcoin rose from the halving and what people were saying with that rather than the ETFs. Um, and then with Ethereum, you saw the ETFs they launched, you saw trading go about, and Ethereum is still honestly at a lower price than when it started with these ETFs, right? We didn't see it skyrocket. We didn't see that push up. So what does this really mean? Does it hold any type of weight to do anything for XRP in the future? And I'll talk about why that's significant, not only for XRP, but also for the crypto market in general. And why it's not something that you're going to immediately see a major impact from. But if you back up a few 100,000 feet, you'll be able to see the clear picture of where this is going. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, also, if you guys want to start trading XRP, let's say you only have $100 to trade with, but you're a really good trader, right? You've always traded in the stock market and you've been able to make money. Let's say that you understand the crypto market a lot, but you only have $100 to trade with. Well, that $100 can go a long way if you are trading with Margex. Margex is a fantastic platform that I've been utilizing for a while. I have copy trading on there. I have my own portfolio on there as well. And you can trade with leverage. Now, leverage trading is risky, and if you do it too aggressively, you may end up losing everything if you are doing it at a 50x leverage, 100x leverage, or whatever. But you also have the ability to trade at a 5x leverage or 10x leverage, which means that you have a little bit of wiggle room to be right in the end if you know the crypto market's going to explode or you know that a position is going to go a certain way. So if you're interested in leverage trading, feel free to check out my link for Margex, as well as if you want to learn more about leverage trading, you can check out my Patreon. I have like 13 videos over there, and I do plan on making a bunch more videos once I have more time. Mainly it would be after the summer time's over because I have two kids home with me, which is very difficult to kind of do anything, honestly. So feel free to check out that link for Margex down below if you guys are interested. But let's look at XRP really quick and then we'll get into that discussion. XRP currently stands at a level of 59, almost 60 cents, right? It's going back and forth. We saw it at a level of 61 cents not too long ago, but did retrace a little bit down to about the 60-cent level, currently at the high 59-cent level. You're going to see my balance and what I'm holding. Just know that I'm holding 100,000 XRP. At a $59,965.75 level. The market cap is at a 33.4, almost $33.5 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth of volume. We are also so close to getting to 56% circulating supply out of the total supply, which is fantastic. I just honestly want to either rip the band-aid off and have all supply that's out there, or take all that escrow and burn that off and just not have that available anymore. But we don't know what's going to happen. It may end up happening with the, conclusion to this case, but we'll see. Now, here comes the discussion in the XRP ETF discussion, right? The topic of conversation is surrounding something that I feel as though will create longevity, will create more consistent holders and long-term holders, and that's honestly what we want. When we think about BTC ETF, why was that significant to the crypto market? The reason why it was significant is because it brings a whole new set of eyes, a whole new group of people to the crypto market, because there are so many people out there that will not touch crypto because they just don't want to create an account on Coinbase, create an account on Kraken, or create some sort of extra account. They want that next layer. And even if you still don't truly get that next layer with crypto, like investing with Fidelity, let's say you invest in Fidelity, you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, you still don't have that next layer of security to say like, oh, if this goes to completely to zero or you lose absolutely everything, you get paid back from some sort of insurance or whatever, right? But when it comes to the ETFs, it's a different story of kind of security in a way, where you're looking at it and you're like, you're investing into the fund that's investing into this specific position. And I think the argument to where this was going, or what ETFs really mean, was always hovering around whether an ETF just specifically to that position will have an impact to that position or have an impact to the crypto market. And it will, right? Because again, it brings traditionalists in there, traditionalists that'll never buy it, like a Warren Buffett or a Dave Ramsey. You now can invest into that ETF if you wanted to, just like you can invest into a Coinbase and invest directly with the company rather than investing into the position itself, right? So when we look at an ETF, it brings all those eyeballs, all that attention to it. And that's why we feel like it's significant, because it brings crypto to a whole new group of people that didn't want to invest directly into the cryptocurrency itself. Now, I see where you're coming from. The comments did mention that they would invest into these ETFs when they become an all-encompassing ETF, which is totally understandable, right? You invest into the entire crypto market, but right now you're only investing into the specific position. But an XRP ETF does so much more for XRP because now it brings longer term holders. When you look at the individual positions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, you look at an XRP ETF and it brings more holders that are now for the long term, that are in it to win it. That's going to be not just like, oh, I'm going to get this to $1 or $2 or $5. It's you invest into this position, you now average into it no matter what. It's higher, it's lower, you average into it again. That's the type of crowd that we're now seeing invest into this position if we have the ETFs available. Now, there's definitely a lot of hype that's surrounding it. I'm seeing article after article talking about how XRP is next for an ETF, as well as Solana. And we just need the conclusion of this case to happen, and then we could see what's XRP the XRP approvals and the filings for the ETFs, and I guarantee you will see it. Like, it's already been confirmed that you have 21 Shares has come out. They want an ETF, an XRP ETF, as well as a Solana ETF, and that XRP has always been on the list, has always been up there even before Ethereum. So we will see this, and I think we will see massive growth once we get the conclusion of that case. So an XRP ETF is definitely needed. You need the individual ETFs, and then you'll see the all-encompassing ETFs that may take away from these single ETFs that you're looking at. But those ETFs that you're investing into now, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP ETF, create longer-term holders for the position itself. Those holders, those people that are investing into the ETFs, were already long-term holders. They're just looking for something else to hold long-term. And these positions are right in front of us. That's my take on it. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but if you take a couple steps back and look at it instead of just looking at, oh, XRP with tunnel vision, XRP ETF, there's no reason to why you should hold that because you could just buy XRP outright. Oh yeah, you're thinking with a crypto mind. You're thinking with a person that's already understands crypto and wants to invest directly into crypto. However, think with more of a Dave Ramsey or a Warren Buffett mind. It's like, okay, I don't want to invest directly with the cryptocurrencies, but you know what? I'll invest in this fund that's now investing majority of that fund into, or all of that fund into this specific position, but I'm doing it basically through a third party or through another service. Um, and it creates longer term holders. And if they believe in it, I want to believe in it too, type of thing, right? Um, Guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex, for Twitter, for Patreon. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.